right now, 3Commas, a crypto trading platform that's been around for quite some time, and I've done a number of videos on this channel about, is switching over to V2 with a partnership with Wonder Trading. They have now upgraded their systems, and it's to compete in this ever-growing ecosystem of AI trading bots, Python scripts, Telegram trading, and so much more. So in this video, I want to go over what the email is saying, what you need to do, especially if you're a paying subscriber. You need to do it today because V1 shuts down today, September 11th, 2026, and then go and do a quick comparison of old and new dashboard, but primarily get your thoughts. So the email says that V1 is shutting down and it's merging into the new V2 trading platform built in a partnership with Wonder Trading, and it will include the following features, which I do like, which one is hyperliquid integration. The other is grid bot entry condition through webhook or indicators, multi-exchange trading simultaneously, which I've used, like Binance US or Binance and Coinbase or one of the other, exchanges available to us, multi-API trading, and one of my favorites that I look forward to, MCP server integration, right? But it's very important that if you have a V1 account that is it's going to be deactivated September 11, 2026, and you won't be charged anymore. So like you're done with 3Commas if you don't want to use it anymore, if you don't re-register on the V2 platform. But you must upgrade with your new account or to your new account on V2 now to continue using 3Commas. Now it says here, my plan is the beginner plan. Your plan varies on whichever one you had, but you will be provided with some additional days, like 30 free days, extra bonus days on V2. That might just be for my plan. It might be different for you. And then you also get from the AI-powered platform, quantpilot.com, about 100 million QP tokens. And all you got to do is click the link, which is trade.3commas.io, register through there. You can sign up with your Google account or any of the other major applications or just direct email. And then you're going to get a promo code. Right now, mine is hidden because what I need to do is once I register or I go through the registration process, I need to apply that code in the subscription area in order to bring back my original plan that I had in there. So if you have a 3Commas account, I would highly recommend you hurry up and get this done. But it's just a big upgrade. They need to stay relevant in this ever-growing landscape of, automated AI trading bots. And it's pretty cool that they are doing this. However, is it going to be enough to keep them alive in this world? By the way, the website, this is what it looks like, trade.3commas.io. Nothing too special. Like I said, you can register, you can sign in with Google. Once you sign in, you're going to see an old dashboard and a new dashboard. The new dashboard looks like this. Tell me what your guys' thoughts are. I'm going to move out of your way real quick, but this is the end of the video, and I really want to know your thoughts. So here you would see, this is where I would put in my promo code. I would click up here, put it in, and then my plan changes. Right now, because I registered, I got the pro plan. It gave it to me for 7 days. I only have 6 days left. And you can see I already connected one of my exchanges. Now here's the old dashboard. This is the old main dashboard. Which one do you like better? Now you can see over here on the left-hand side, we got AI Assistant, My Portfolio, Strategy Gallery, Control Panel, DCA bots, Signal bots, Grid bots, Smart Trades, Terminal, so on and so forth. And by the way, I wonder if the funds from my affiliate that I've been getting, 3Commas, will get shifted over to this new V2 dashboard. It'd be unfortunate if I lose all that. It wasn't much, but every little bit counts on this small channel, but I appreciate you stopping by. Make sure you smash that like button, by the way. But you can see the differences here. So on the left-hand side, we got our dashboard. We got my exchanges where we can, look at the exchanges we have configured, my analytics. And unfortunately, I don't have any data here to show you. Like on the old dashboard, I got some data, and you can see overall throughout the years I've been using it, I've only made a profit and loss of $3. Now, that's small trades. That's very, very small trades over years of using this platform. Nothing crazy, but you could see it. And then we also have, position and signal bot, grid bot, DCA bot. And I already have some DCA bots set up, but they're not on right now. All of them are disabled. The cool thing is they got you a video showing you how easy it is to set up. I go over that in one of my previous videos, but if I hit create bot, I can click start from preset, and then there's a bunch of presets here. But you notice if like you're using Coinbase, a lot of the US exchanges, unfortunately, aren't really being used in the presets, which is unfortunate for us, but you can use them. Like if we check one of these or click use preset, you can see that we can do a long, short, both. We got to connect our exchange, and then we got to choose the asset that's supported by that exchange. So let's just say, Atom USDC. We can choose our indicator, RSI. Trading view indicators are not there anymore. From what I'm seeing, I'm sure in the future I'll probably cover what other changes they made, but this is just to show you the basic setup as compared to the past. So let's just choose Bollinger Bands for this one. Let's just leave everything the way it is. And you can see backtest down here. And backtest, not only do we get a chart, but you can see some additional information like realized profit losses, unrealized profit losses, -21, realized trades, backtested 30 days from, July 11th, 2026. So on and so forth. You can see your price drop covered. You can set your stop loss. Same thing that we're familiar with the original platform, but just in a newer look. I'm interested to see how this one performs. Now, the grid bot, I never used much of, but again, they have a great video on it. They already have some presets here that you can choose, and then you just create bot from new or from a preset. And I'm assuming the same thing with Signal Bot. Yep, nice video. No presets here, but you hit create and go through the workflow from top to bottom. But it feels like it's missing some things. Like the option in the top left for AI assistant is gone. I wonder if they're going to bring that back or if they found no reason to even do that. But what are your thoughts? Again, here's the main dashboard compared to the original dashboard. And if we go to my DCA bots, a little more information about my trades ever since I've been using 3Commas. Yes, I made $358 over time, but that doesn't include the fees that I've been hit with using Coinbase. So I just want you to, keep that in the back of your mind. I would say my actual profit loss probably like 280, maybe 270. So I lost almost $100 just in trading because I'm trading such small amounts. Since $20 main order, $10 DCA orders, and you can see my best asset down here in the bottom left overall has been Solana, then Bitcoin, then Ethereum, with my most profitable bot being the Solana bot. But you can see if we switch over to 6 months, I only made $17. 3 months, only $5 because my trades have diminished as I've moved. And this is not something pointed at 3Commas, but I've moved to other trading applications and haven't been putting as much time into 3Commas. So is this an attempt to revive what the platform is? Like I like the original platform. I feel like I have more features here, but it does seem like we're missing some things. Either way, I'm interested in your thoughts. And the most important thing is that if you're using 3Commas and you have been and you paid for a subscription, that you make sure you follow the steps to take advantage to, carry your plan over that you paid for into V2. You're going to have to reconfigure all your bots. All of my settings and stuff like that were destroyed or didn't carry over. I'm not sure if they are going to migrate it over. It doesn't look that way, but they do have some FAQs and links in there. Either way, just make sure you update so that way you're not just paying for a subscription that you have 200 plus days of and you're not even using it. Yeah, you won't get charged anymore moving forward, but you can't use it anymore until you switch and register through the V2 platform. But seriously, I want to know your thoughts. What crypto trading, bots, algo trading bots, AI trading bots, trading applications that you're using to help maximize your gains. What I'm doing personally is mining, and what I mine, I convert, and then I take that conversion and I trade a little bit, trying to make more with the assets that I mine. But what are you doing? What's your strategy and what are you using? Don't give up the goods, so to speak, but definitely share with the community what you're doing in today's ecosystem and world. But that's going to do it for today's video. So do me a favor on the way out. Hit that like button. Make sure to get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. So let's check out additional links in the description to support the channel and what we do here. And you also take care and have yourself a wonderful day. Good God, I couldn't say that. All right. See y'all later.